नमस्कार, आदाब, hello, वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Today, what I am going to be covering is something that we are always facing some problems with: partnership accounting, goodwill adjustment. Goodwill adjustment is something which students really have a problem with understanding and applying it in their papers. So let's see what is goodwill adjustment, why is it needed, and how to really adjust it in our books of accounts. So first of all, we should know that this goodwill adjustment happens only and only on reconstitution of partnership. When I say this, it's really important to understand the meaning of reconstitution. Reconstitution means a change in the profit agreement, in the partnership deed of a company, because there is a new partner, someone retired, someone died, right? So when this reconstitution is happening, what is happening is the profit sharing of the partners changes. Now, obviously, if the profit sharing of the partners changes, there is going to be a difference in the adjustment. If someone is dying, if someone is, retiring, or if someone is getting admitted, there are those partners who are leaving or joining the firm, they are going to benefit from the goodwill of the company. Now, suppose I join Quality Walls, okay, as a partner. Suppose now what will happen is that Quality Walls has already made its name in the market. So I am going to get value for that name. This franchisees of Quality Walls work on that same principle. They're going to benefit from that name of Quality Walls. So we understood this. Now, important thing, profit sharing of the partners changes. So somewhere or the other, this goodwill is affected by the profit sharing ratio. Now let's take an example, a practical example of how to solve the sum. Now suppose I tell you that A, B and C, these are existing partners, and their ratio is 2:2:1. Okay, so I will call this old ratio, right? This much we understood. So now what happens is C retires. Okay, now since C retired, A and B decide to share profits equally. So that means their ratio is 1:1, which I can call my new ratio. Now question, how do I adjust the goodwill? This was information given to us. How the goodwill is going to be adjusted in this partnership firm, I'm going to make a small table, okay, in which we will have 4 columns: A, B, C and total. Okay, first I will write the old ratio as it is, 2:2:1, total will be 1. Okay, now what I will do, I will divide the goodwill amongst the old partners to value what was the goodwill before C decided to retire. So one more information they give us is goodwill of the firm. The value is rupees 4 lakh. Clear? Now I will divide this 4 lakhs between A, B and C in the ratio 2:2:1. How do I do that? We divide this 4 lakh by 5. There are 5 parts in the old ratio. So I will divide it by 5. What value will I get? 80,000. That 80,000 is one part of goodwill. So this is 80,000. And the other two parts will be 1,60,000 and 1,60,000. So this was the status of goodwill before C retired. Okay, this is in the old ratio. Now what I do, I check the new ratio. The new ratio is 1:1. C is not involved in that. Total is 1. Okay, clear? Now what I do, I divide that 4 lakh goodwill amongst A and B. What do I get? 2 lakh and 2 lakh. Now why did I do this? What was the reason for me to do this? Let's understand that. The old goodwill, C had a part in that. Okay? Now when C has a part in that goodwill and he is retiring from business, he really doesn't have the use of that goodwill. But that doesn't mean that if this company is quality walls, people will stop buying quality walls because C retired. No. That is not how this works. So what we do when a partner retires, this goodwill of his is divided amongst the partners who are still in the business in the existing ratio, which is nothing but goodwill adjustment. So when we take a net effect, what really is happening is C is sacrificing his part of goodwill and A and B are gaining their part of goodwill. This is how goodwill adjustment is done. So when I talk about journal entry, what would be the journal entry? A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to C's capital account. Goodwill was an asset. It's being credited, reversed. So what is the amount? 40,000, 40,000 and 80,000. Being goodwill adjusted. I hope you understood the concept. So see you in the next video. Enjoy.